Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming. And are you currently having some issues with the iCloud lock on your phone? Either you get it from a second-hand marketplace or refurbished market, and when you try to sign up or sign within the phone and you're faced with this issue. Well, this is a very common issue, and I was also once a fallen victim. Alright, like you probably, that's why you're watching this video, because I bought it from the second-hand marketplace and I tried to sign up. I was faced with iCloud lock. I was so panicking or looking around, and I came across this really interesting software that I'm going to talk about today, where you guys can use it. Alright, I've used that and it turns out really good with no issue. I can use my phone straight away right after the unlocking process in about 20 minutes time, which is really incredible. I was really happy, and hence I'm recommending it to you guys. So what is that incredible software I'm talking about? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the Wondershare Dr.Fone. Alright, and as you guys can hear from the name Dr.Fone, well, this thing is like, a doctor to your phone, either your iPhone or Android phone. It can help repair any issues that you have with your phone. Alright, like by operating system repair all the way down to like data repair and any other repair as well, which is really incredible. And I use this software to personally remove the iCloud lock on my phone itself, and it works really well without any issue. I'm using that phone for over 6 months now with no issue. I can sign in my own iCloud account, or I can use my phone as per normal, receive constant update from Apple. Everything works really great. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself so you guys can see what are the features it has, right, and followed by a quick demonstration of the whole unlocking process itself so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole process is. So without further ado, let me just go and show you guys the software itself first. Let's go. Alright, so you guys can see this is the Wondershare Dr.Fone. You guys can see they have so many features that you guys can use with your phone itself. Alright, you guys can see you can screen unlock, system repair, WhatsApp transfer, you can do like data eraser, phone transfer, you can do like virtual location, dock pass removal, a lot of things. You guys can transfer photos, music, video, all from your iPhones as well. You guys can back up your phone if you have really important files or documents on your phone. You guys can use this as well. We have phone companion, screen mirroring as well. So basically like an all-in-one solution that and everything you need. It has basically everything and anything you need for your phone. It has it right over here. And the best part of this software is it's not only limited to iPhone, it can also be used for Android phone as well. But today we will just be mainly focusing on removing iCloud activation lock, and how you guys can do that. Just go to my toolbox and go to screen unlock. Just click on that. And they'll ask you to choose between Android or iOS, because sometimes Android will have like Google FRP lock, screen lock, all this and that. So you use this on Android. You have an Android, you have an issue with your phone as well, you guys can use this on Android as well. But today our main focus is iOS. So how we're going to do that is just to click on iOS. You guys can see they have so many things that can help you if you have issue with your SIM lock, like region lock. You forget your Apple ID password and you want to remove Apple ID from phone. You guys can use this. Remove mobile device management, turn off camera sound, remove iTunes backup encryption, screen and passcode, disable call recording, unlocking your iOS screen, forget your iPhone passcode. But today we'll be focusing on this one, which is the most popular one, the activation lock. And you guys can see the best part of this is, this is the only software that actually supports iOS 26.1 and iPhone 17, which is really incredible. Some other software only support old iPhone and OSs itself, but this is really incredible. So you just click on that, and just click on start. And the first thing to do is just to plug in your affected iPhone, to your PC, your desktop, or even your MacBook, because this thing is supported on all type of OSs as well. And so once you connected your phone to your PC or your MacBook or your laptop, and then you should auto detect, and it should put your phone into recovery mode, DFU mode, and after that, you'll do the unlocking process on its own. So just follow some simple on-screen instructions and just sit back and relax and just wait for your phone to be unlocked, and you guys can use it right away. So this is how simple and how straightforward it is. So right now I'm going to show you guys the demonstration itself so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is. So without further ado, let me just go and show you guys the demonstration itself. Let's go. Okay, so first thing first, we have to click on iCloud activation lock remover. Click on that, and you guys can see this is my iPhone 17 Pro Max that is claiming iCloud lock. You guys can see the version is iOS 26, iPhone 17 Pro Max. As soon as I connected it, it will start verifying my phone itself. Once the verification is done, you just have to agree the agreement, and it should start downloading the driver that is appropriate for your device that's being currently connected to. So this process probably takes me about like 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast your system is, and after that it will start bypassing the iCloud activation activation lock. And during this process, your phone may also reboot, so just have to let it do its own job. You don't have to worry about anything, just let it reboot, all this and that. And once it says iCloud activation lock is bypassed completely, and now it's done, and your phone should reboot, and now the iCloud has been completely removed from it. So this is how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is. Alright, so you guys have seen from the whole demonstration itself, it's super easy, super straightforward. You don't have to be tech savvy or like, programmer or anything just to, unlock that. Or just follow some of the instructions, click a few simple click a button, and bam, alright, you have successfully unlocked your phone, and you guys can start using it right away from what you have seen from the whole demonstration itself. So it's really cool and save you a ton of money, because last time when I got that phone itself, or I went to a shop and asked how much is it to unlock it, alright, they charged me like 5 to 6 times the price of getting this software itself, which is really insane. Alright, with this I can do it comfortably at my own home, don't need to wait a few hours for them to do the unlocking process, alright, and don't have to waste my petrol traveling back and forth, alright, and probably they're also using the same software, so you will not know what software they're using. So with this one, you guys can use this at the comfort of your own home, or do it at the comfort of your own time, and after that you guys can get it unlocked in less than 20 minutes time. How incredible is that? So after seeing the whole demonstration itself, you guys can't wait to get your phone unlocked right now. Well, you guys can go and check out this, alright, 𝖩.𝐻one, alright, by Wondershare. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go and check it out and get it for yourself right now and start unlocking your phone right away. So that's all for the guys. If I found this video really interesting and really helpful and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model as well that you used to unlock an iOS version, so people know which phone it has been unlocked to as well. Alright, so yeah, that's all for the guys. And once again, check out this Wondershare 𝖩.𝐻one. You guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get it for yourself right now. So that's all for the guys, and this is 𝐩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.